Okay guys, now I'm gonna tell you like how you can code in the Raspberry Pi. So for that you have to like download Putty. So if you have already downloaded, then it's not a problem. Just Google Putty and just come here and just click here and just install it like whatever MSI bit you have, like Windows bit you have. After that you have installed it you should be in a terminal. Like I have already told you like how you can come in the terminal. So, like I have already told you, if you are using in a screen, then there should be an icon of the terminal, or with the help of this Ethernet cable. Also, I have told you like how to come to this like terminal. So type here if config. I'm considering like you already connected with the Wi-Fi on your Raspberry Pi. See, there is uh, there is this address inet w. So just you have to type if config, then come to WLAN, or maybe something else written in your on your like system, maybe Wi-Fi or something like that. Like there should be wireless name type. So there is a address inet. So just copy that address. You can just copy it 192.168.31.19. So you can see it. It's 192.168.31.19. Like I have written here only this address. One thing more, your laptop or computer and your Raspberry Pi should be connected with the same Wi-Fi. If it isn't, then it won't work. So keep that in mind. It should be connected with the same Wi-Fi. Just note it down and just close the session. Okay. Now open Putty again. Now you can just disconnect your like RJ45 cable if you are connected. Just disconnect it. Just like you can throw it here. Just copy this address, and you're gonna use this as a only like for whole the tutorial and SSH like and write it Raspberry Pi and save it. So for the connection in for future you just save it. So see it's Raspberry Pi and just click and open. So login as Pi as I already told you, like your default ID is Pi. Password should be Raspberry, Raspberry. Your default password is Raspberry. Like Pi is your ID and Raspberry is your password. So you are in the terminal. So now you can type whatever you want. Like you can go to Python 3 and just type print hello world. But yeah, like you can't code whole your script here. So there's a way of transferring files between like your Raspberry Pi and system. For that, just keep it down. You have to download a software called WinSCP. Just download it. Just come here and download. Like I have already downloaded. So just install it like a normal installer. So I've already done all that stuff. So I'm just canceling it. So just like the icon will look like the WinSCP. Just open it. So see, what was your just click here new site. Let me delete this ID. Okay, just click on the new site. It should like open like this only if you are like a new user. Just copy this host name that I have told you to copy. Just paste it here, and your username like it was Pi, and your password will be raspberry, and you click here save for the future saving option, save password. Okay, and just log in. Yes. So see, this is your desktop, like my computer. So this is my desktop. Like see, you can see this is a QCI folder, torrent, Balena HR. So these are my like apps, and this is my Raspberry Pi. What do you call database, or what do you like memory card or whatever, like storage. this is my Raspberry Pi storage. So I can like easily shift things from here to here. Suppose I went to QCRI, so I can just like pick anything and just transfer it here. Like I can just do like, sorry, I can just like this and it will copy. Okay, so see, it has been copied here. Now I can just bring it back here also. I will just do cancel. So like, yeah, so you can make a new folder. How to make a new folder? Let me just see. Yeah, new folder directory. Name it like Python and just copy your all of your code here only. Just go here. Yeah. So no, you got my idea. What you have to do? You have to write script here, and you have to just copy it here and just run it from the what do you call this terminal. Okay. So let me just show you a demo. So what we'll be doing it. Let me just make a new. Uh, uh, Here is my Sublime text. Yeah. Yeah. Let me just open my Sublime text. So let me save it. I'll say program py first program.py. Just save it. Sorry, I'll just save on the desktop. Yeah, save it. Let me just close it. No, no. Yeah. So let me just print. Hello, hello world, and d equals to 4, a equals to 5, c equals to a plus d. I'm just showing you like how this thing works. Print c. Well, so yeah, it will like print 9, then hello. Before that, hello, just save it and just keep it down. So now open your WinSCP. So now just like you can refresh it. See, there's a file called first program.py. Now I'll just copy it in the Python folder. So it's asking me, I say okay. So it had been copied. Now I'll go to my this terminal. Let me just clear it. Quit it. So now clear it. Yeah. So like how you run normal your Python program from the command prompt. Like this is a command prompt like of the Windows you can say. So you will say Python 3. So before that you have to go to this directory. Uh, Python. Okay. So for that I will see where I am. ls no home py. So I'll do cd Python. Okay, it's capital letters. Python. Okay, I'm in the Python. So I'll do ls also see all the files. See it's showing me I have a file this. So I'll just run it like Python. Keep that in mind. You have to write Python 3 because it also have Python 2. So if you just write Python, so it will run the Python 2, not Python 3. So you have to specifically write Python 3. Then the first program .py and press enter. See hello world and line whatever I have typed in that program. Now if you want to install some libraries, so you do pip3 install like Flask suppose. So it just install it. Yeah. So yeah, I have already installed. Yeah, so that's the whole stuff like how you will do the programming in the Raspberry Pi. So we'll meet in the next tutorial where we'll let you know how to control the LEDs. So for the time, thank you and please subscribe my channel.